Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Stella. Welcome, Stella. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets here. Um, so the Dow was up. Dow was up. Nasdaq was down. S&P was down, and the Russell was down. All right. Let's take a look at. But let's do this. Let's take a look at big picture. We haven't done that in a few days here. All right. So let's take a look at big picture, the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell. All right. So on the Dow, guys, we're still holding. Right on the Dow. Here's our buy signal here. Remember, we're at all-time highs. All right, but we do have purple support and resistance here. All right. So, but no sell signals, no red candles. All right. Remember, this is on the weekly time frame. So still holding firm there. Okay. On the Dow. All right. Nasdaq. Right. Pull back a bit from the highs here on the Nasdaq. All right. So trading a little below the all-time highs. The S&P, right? S&P clearly above the all-time highs. No support and resistance lines. Look at this. Nice price action, making higher lows, higher highs. Good price action there. The Russell, take a look at the Russell, still trading right above resistance. All right. Purple support and resistance there. Okay. So just keep that in mind. The dollar, right? You guys should notice we have a red candle here on the dollar. We're going to move this here to support. We've got support here, right? Right here is support. So if we break support here, right? Now we're not close to breaking support. We got to come down a bit lower, right? We could next target is perhaps all the way down here. All right, but that's not a major concern yet. The only change is that we've got sellers coming in. All right, Bitcoin, big picture, weekly time frame. Look where we are, guys. All right, on the weekly time frame, buy signal here. Not that we would have traded it on the weekly time frame, but hey, we can take a look at that price action. Bitcoin right now is at 72,000, guys, for 14, and we'll take a look at crypto's monster. All right, but Bitcoin is moving higher, making a new leg again, breaking its all-time highs. Let's take a look at pound yen. Retraced a bit. All right, from resistance right here, so it's just holding a bit of a pullback there. All right. So that's big picture. Near term on the daily time frame. All right. Volatility is picking up a bit. Okay, so we've got some volatility in the markets. The VIX is at 1522. All right, so you guys know it was at 13, 14. Now it's at 15, so it's slowly creeping up. All right, Dow is still holding. Again, this on the daily time frame. Buy signal here, all green candles, clearly in the markup phase, so nothing to change there. Okay, so here we are. Buy signal here, nice V, clearly in the markup phase, all green candles. All right, so no sign of the market selling yet. All right, Nasdaq, same thing, holding firm. S&P also holding firm, and we'll take a look at equities this evening, guys. Okay, Nasdaq, S&P here holding firm. Purple support and resistance. So we know that price is making might be a bit overbought. Okay, Russell, new buy signal right here, holding. Okay, all right. Sectors, all the sectors are doing fine except for telecom. They're all up right now. All the sectors are up. Okay, let's go through current positions. And we'll start with Forex. All right, we've got some great trades going in Forex, so let's take a look at those trades. And these are in Monster Scalper. All right, so long positions in Monster Scalper. All right, and then we'll take a look at shorts. All right, AUD, NZD right here. All right, Buy signal here. Just remember now, this on the, let's move this here. All right, move it just like this. This is on the 240-minute time frame. Okay, 240-minute time frame. Buy signal right here. Big candle. Buyers came in here. All right, still holding. We need to test, get through resistance is right here. All right, if we can break through resistance, next opportunity would be up here. Let's go ahead and bring in resistance up here. Okay, right up here. All right, but buy signal here moving up nicely. So if you guys are in this trade, just hold on. All right, hold on. We need to get past this area up here. Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie dollar. All right, buy signal here, broke resistance, just holding. Target right up here. All right. Again, this is on the 240-minute time frame, guys. All right. So it's gotten past this resistance. Next target all the way up here. All right. We have some resistance here, but it's getting past that area. You guys can see that. All right. Near-term support right there, holding all green candles, nothing to do. Next target is all the way up here. That's Aussie, Aussie dollar. Aussie CAD, right? Buy signal here, great buy signal, guys, right? Got past resistance here. Previous support becomes resistance, ton of resistance here, consolidation. Broke through target right up here. We'll see what it does once the price gets to this area here, right? Nothing to do. Nice, clean buy signal. No red candles, no white candles, nothing to do. Just hold on to the trade. All right, so we have some inverse dollar pairs. You guys know we're shorting the dollar right now, so we have inverse of the dollar. All right, so euro dollar and New Zealand dollar. So euro dollar first, right? Buy signal here, right? Clear coming out of the markdown phases. Two trades. We got buy signal here, bought here, sold here, bought here, currently holding, looking to test resistance here. And then if we can get past this resistance, another resistance here. Now, you guys know the real trade is in the yen pair short. All right. So these are decent trades here, but the real trade, real move is in the yen short. All right. New Zealand dollar. All right. We have our markdown phase here. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Let's clean this up here. Hold on. All right. We'll make this larger here. All right, so we have our markdown phase right here, markup phase, and it is breaking resistance here, okay? All right, markup phase, and we've got good resistance right here. We just need to break out, okay? That's New Zealand dollar. All right, resistance right here. Previous support becomes resistance right here. Resistance here, resistance, buy signal here. All right, good price action, all green candles. We don't have any sellers like here, all green candles. So we just hold in here, need to break through resistance. Next target, all the way up here. And if the dollar index moves lower, all right, these inverse pairs will move higher. All right. So we need to get through here first, then next target up here. All right. All right. So now let's take a look at the yen pairs, right? And last week had some great trades in the yen pairs. It looks like they're continuing to move lower this week. Okay, so Swiss yen, let's go through these. Oh, these are shorts. All right. All right, Swiss yen, sell short signal here, guys. Great short going. This short, sell short signal was at 170, trading at 167. So that's for about 300 pips so far. So good trade here going with Swiss yen. Target on this, next target is, let's see here. So we have a support here. Looks like it might get past that support. So next level, let's bring that. Let's bring that right about here. All right. That's where um, buyers came in before here and here. So good short here going. Next target all the way down here. All right. Swiss yen. We have a ton of yen pairs. All right. SGD JPY, that's your Singapore dollar yen. Good short going here. All right, let's draw it out. All right, so here's our markup phase. All right, here, markup phase. Remember, we want to short coming out of that distribution phase, okay? All right, so sell short signal here, all red candles, purple support and resistance. All right, so this short is doing well. And support, next level of support is right here. If we can get past, remember, our sell short signal is here. Get past this here, next area of support is all the way down here. All right, so hold on to these trades, guys. Don't be tempted to get out quickly, okay? SGD JPY, first target, second target, all the way down here. If we can get all the way down here, guys, that's for about 600 pips, okay? And you guys know the last rotation we had long, right? Right? We went long these yen pairs, right? So here was long, okay? So remember that, all right? They go up, but they have to come down, and they come down, they have to go back up. All right, we just trade those moves. CAD yen, same thing. Sell short signal here, first target right here. All right, so sell short signal right here. Right, had to wait for this pullback, right? But guess what? Came all the way back down. Support here. We've got really good support here. So it's just holding support. We need this to break through. CAD yen to break through. All right, it's holding here. Don't close the trade. Nothing to do here. No white candles, no green candles. All right, so buyers are nowhere to be found. So we just need price to break through. Next target all the way down here. Okay, so again, sell short signal here, hold it, needs to break through, come on down. We don't have any near-term support and resistance. If you look here, all right, like here. So we don't have any support and resistance on that price action right there. Okay, so great trades going so far. CAD yen right here. Hong Kong, HKD, JPY, good short here. Here's our sell short signal here. All right. We were forced to get out here, right? Green candles here. I know it's hard to see, right? Got back in, good short going. Support is here. Next support area down here, if it can break through. And look at that price action, guys. All right. So this is where we were forced to get out, right? Your green candles here. We got back in, I believe somewhere right in here. Good trade going here. All right. Good price action heading towards, right, support down here. If it breaks through, next target all the way down here. This is down here is where we could find real support at the bottom of our chart here. Okay. HKD, JPY, Aussie yen. All right. Same thing. Notice they're all similar. Okay, guys. All right. Now, this is lower in the markdown phase. A lot of consolidation in here. We talked about this one here. Sell short signal here. Keep an eye on this one, guys. All right. So the target, we could move this down a bit to about right here. All right. Hopefully that price action just come on down. All right. Target down here. Okay. All right. Now, just remember a lot of consolidation in here. So that could slow the short down. Okay. USD JPY. All right. Good short go in here. All right. Did we look at that one? We go through so many of these. Hold on. All right. Good markup phase. Good markdown. All right. Target here. Second target. Pound yen. moving a little slow, all right, but don't give up on pound yen, guys. We know pound yen will move. All right, so nice markup phase. Now I want you guys to see this. This is the short side. All right, this is the short. All right, remember what we did on the long side. All right, so sometimes we forget. All right, so this is pound yen. Hold on. All right, so this was the long side. All right, so these were the trades. All right, so we took it long. Now we're taking it short. Okay, so these were the long trades here. Right, pound yen right here. You guys see on the 240. So buy signal was 182. Sell signal was 187. That's for 500 pips. All right, sometimes we forget. And then we had a second trade here. Buy signal was 187. All right. Sell signal was 190. That's for about 300 pips. So that's about 800 pips, guys, long. All right. So that was the long side. Now we go in short. All right. So now we flipping the trade. All right. So now red candles, sellers are coming in. All right. So now we go in short. So let's take a look at the short trades. All right. That's why it's important to catch these moves. Okay. All right. So that was the long side. All right. Tons of pips there. So those of you who caught those trades, good job. Now here is the short. All right. So we bought it from the bottom, took it up, two trades, two great trades. Now we're taking it back down. All right. So sell short signal here. All right. 180, 189. It's at 188 right now. So that's for about 100 pips, but I'm sure we can get more out of it. Okay. All right. So support, near-term support, because pound yen will move. Near-term support right here. We got really good support right here. All right. Here it is coming down nicely there. Our markdown phase is right here. All right. So we need that price action to just come on down. All right. We'll bring in our markup phase for reference. All right. Right here. First target here. Okay. If we can get down to this area right here, that's for about almost 300 pips. Okay. And then second target all the way down here. So if we can break through here, right? Support here. Remember, bring in your lines. All right. Bring in your lines. All right. First target here, next target here. All red candles. All right. So there's nothing to do. Let the trade run. Okay. That's pound yen. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. Great trade going here, guys. Sell short signal is here. All right. Coming down nicely. Broke through first support level, which is right here. Right. You guys see that here. We're breaking through. Next target all the way down here. This one is close to getting all the way down here. All right, to the second level here. If it gets to the second level, now this trade here is this is 92. What's that? 92, 90. So a little over about 200 pips there. Okay. Now, several areas here of support. All right. So we've gotten past this support level here. Next level of support is right here. And then next level, let's put that about here. All right. All right. Did we do euro yen? Euro yen. All right. Euro yen. Last one. So hopefully you guys are taking these short trades. All right. We've been waiting for these short trades for a while because we were long. Everything was long. Now it's short. Okay. And this is a fairly clean short by euro yen. Okay. Remember, markup, markdown, distribution. Right. So we're breaking out of that distribution now in the markdown phase. And support is right. Let's bring in support right here. All right, so sell short signal right here. Nice candles. Look at these candles, guys, coming down nicely, heading towards support right here. Right. Again, if we can get past support here, next target all the way down here. All right. So, all right. Aussie long, Kiwi long, yen short. And we do have some dollar pairs short. Okay. Let's take a look at those. All right. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. All right. So great shorts, guys. So if we count those pips so far, I'm thinking there's probably in the yen pairs. You guys remember last run long, there was about 4,000 pips. I think so far in these yen pairs, might be about 1,500 pips or so. Probably a bit more, 1,500, 2,000 pips. We'll see when the run is done. I personally, right, and you guys know things can change, but personally, I think like we saw which one that broke through. Personally, I think some of these will come. I think they're gonna come all the way to the bottom here. I mean, look at this one here, New Zealand yen. I mean, look at that. That's heading straight down. Okay, so but as soon as I speak it, guess what? It won't happen. So I won't say anything. All right. All right. Let's see here. Hold on. So dollar pairs, we have some dollar pairs short. So that's the trade right now. The trade right now is yen. Your best trade is yen. All right. Yen short. All right. Aussie long, right? Kiwi long, and then dollar short. The dollar short is a good trade also. Okay. A bit more choppy, but right. So dollar SEK. All right. Sell short signal is here. Let's do this. All right, here is your markdown phase here. All right, again, a bit choppy. You know, the dollar's been struggling for direction. Not a great setup here, but we do have sell signal here. We're finding support. Looks like we've got support here. All right, so right about here, even here, let's call it right here. So just be careful with one here. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon, welcome. All right, USDHUF. All right, we were breaking this trend line right here. All right. All right, sell short signal here. That's where they failed. And we've got this one here, white candles here. So keep an eye. We need sellers to come back down. All right, USDHUF. All right. That's why the dollar short is not a great short right now. Okay. The trade, remember the trade, guys, right now, yen short. That's the trade. That's the big trade. All right. That's Tylak's big trade. All right. All right. So USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, we've got support right here, and it's holding right at support here. All right. So it's holding right at support. All right. We just need those sellers to come on down. Come on down. Okay. So that's holding here. If you're frustrated, right, you know, if it gets, I would say if it gets back above previous support, becomes resistance, just close the trade. Okay. Just close the trade. By the way, our monster scalper traders, right? If you guys missed, you shouldn't miss any of those trades. But if you've missed some of the trades on the 240 in Monster Scalper, bring out your smaller time frames. Okay, you know you have your small time frames, so you can bring those out, trade on the smaller time frames. Okay, USD SGD, that one is working fine. All right, this one here is just a clear break of support. All right, but remember, it's still in the markup phase, so that's good. All right, we're not shorting it down here, we're shorting it from a high. All right, so nice break of support. Got a nice wedge, nice triangle here. right? Nice triangle, broke out, sell short signal right at support, right here, our little triangle. So pointing to this arrow, triangle right here. I know it's hard to see. All red candles though, look at that. So we know sellers are in charge, right? Moving lower. So we just continue to hold target. Target is all the way down here. If we can get all the way down here, what a beautiful trade for the dollar, USD SGD. All right. And we're fairly close. All right. USD DKK. All right. Not a good trade. Sell short signal here. Here, choppy in here. But guess what? This one is working out so far. All right. Sell short signal here. Holding. Purple support and resistance. Target all the way right here. All right. So good trades going here. Not bad for the dollar pairs. USD CZK, right? There's your markup, right? Distribution, markdown, sell short signal right there, still holding. We need sellers to come on down, all right? Target all the way down here. We'll take a quick look at the dollar index too. USD NOK, all right? Let's make sense of this one here. I think this one is a break of the trend line. We don't have much of a markup phase there. So trend line, break up the trend line, right? We got squeeze, so we got a triangle right here, wedge right here, right here. All right, broke the trend line, sell short signal is here. A bit of a pullback, but let's guess what? Sellers are coming back in. Red candle coming on down. Okay. All right. And we know what the dollar pairs are doing. Okay. So if you guys look here, all these are down, down, down. Yen pairs are down. That's what we want to see. All down. So we know we're in the right direction. And then these are up long. All right. All right. So stay in the right direction. All right, that's half the battle there. All right. All right, now Forex Dominator. We've got some longs in Forex Dominator. You guys know on the Forex Dominator, we trade on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, okay, in Forex Dominator. Monster Scalper 240, Forex Dominator daily. EURTRY, beautiful trade, guys. All right, beautiful trade. Buy signal here, right here. Been holding this. Look at that, right? So this is a trade that hey, you just get in and let it do its thing. Okay. So great trade going here. Again, buy signal here, all the way up here, all green candles, right? Just let it run. EURTRY, USD similar. All right, buy signal right here, just keeps moving higher. All right. No concern, no worries, right? And then EuroCAD, all right? EuroCAD buy signal here. EuroCAD is still holding, all right? Now we got really good resistance up here. Right here is resistance. Here is support. Nice triangle here. Buy signal. We need to break through though, right? It's taking its time. We need to get it up in this area and break through. EuroCAD. Euro Swiss, right? Same thing, doing a bit better. Nice markdown phase. Look at that. We need sellers, guys. Remember, we need these markdown phases, all right, to buy. We need sellers to buy from. All right, good markdown phase. Buy signal here, holding nicely. We need to break through resistance right there. Okay, all green candles, nothing to do. Euro CZK, all right, buy signal right here, just holding. This one is still holding right here. All right. And then pound Swiss. All right. We have good resistance here. Right. Remember, good resistance right here. Look at that. All right. They're holding resistance here. Buy signal here. Right. Moving up nicely. Right. To that resistance level. We'll see what the traders do, right, once we get up to this resistance. Hopefully we break through and move higher. Okay, we've got a couple of shorts. in Monster Scalper. So 2 shorts in in Forex Dominator. Okay. All right. So Swiss yen short. All right. Swiss yen short. Hold on. I was playing with this earlier. Swiss yen short. Right here. Hold on. I'll just put it in. CHF. JPY. All right. So we've got a good short going here. All right. I think we sent this out last night. So Swiss yen. All right. Look at this markup phase, guys. So we need buyers. When we shorten, we need buyers to sell from or short from. When we go in long, we need sellers to buy from. Okay. All right. So here's our markdown right here. Broke support, sell short signal right here. Right, here's our sellers. Now this here, now we know what the yen pairs are doing in Monster Scalper. So that price action is following through in Forex Dominator. This is where we've got support. We've got decent support here, sell short signal. So we need that to come on, test support. Depending on the volatility, if we break through, all right, we have no support, guys, until all the way down here. All right, all the way down there. I couldn't count the pips. If it's able to come down all the way down here, all right, these are big trades. You just, set. I wouldn't say set and forget because we still want to pay attention to them. But these trades, big trades. Remember, daily time frame. I know sometimes we don't have the patience to stay in these, but you can certainly set these up. TRY, JPY is the other one. So TRY, JPY. Hold on. TRY, JPY. All right. Now, this one here, it's low in the markdown phase. And you guys hear me say, yeah, it's dangerous in the markdown phase. But this one here, this Turkish pair, this on the daily time frame, look at the shorts, guys, from here to here. Big shorts. All right. So that's one. All right. This one failed. Here's another short. Look at these guys. Big shorts here. Again, daily time frame, tons of pips. And then here is another short, big short, 3 big shorts. Look at that right here. So guess what? This one here, we called it. We're going to call this one here. All right. So broke support, nice clean break of support. So we don't have to know what's going on with the Turkish pairs, right? But hey, they're moving. Sell short signal here. Nice price action moving lower. Hopefully we get another short like this here. Okay. So those are the 2 shorts. All right. If we get any more, which I'm sure we will, if the yen pairs keep moving lower, right, and they break new levels, support levels in Monster Scalper, we'll have follow through. Okay, in Forex Dominator. Our US 30 traders, and I know we said we wouldn't call any more trades, but we saw a trade setting up, and the indexes were down. Indexes were down. The Dow was down overnight, even at the open, and then bounced. So we call this short here, right? Hoping on a break right here. It did break, right? But then buyers came right back. And that's the concern, right? That's the concern with these the e-minis right now. Okay. So if you guys trade these, just trade lightly, you can always, right, scale your positions. Okay. So And I know a few of you contacted me about this. Yeah, we had support here. All right. And they held that support. What we were hoping for is a break and hold, right? But they brought that price right back above support right here. Previous support become, and then they just went on up. So we should be out. Just again, just hold. Um, we might even have to bring this down a bit here. So this is what we're dealing with here. Here's really good resistance right now, really good support. So we need to break out either to the upside or to the downside. On the daily time frame, we don't have a sell short signal on the daily time frame. All right, on the US 30, it's still holding its buy signal here, but we do have purple support and resistance. Okay, let's bring that down. So and it's almost the same thing, identical with the NAS. Okay, so NAS, look at the NAS right here, trading within. Now, some of you or quicker traders trading on a smaller time frame, this isn't bad trades here, right? Nice long, nice short, all right. So if you want to do that, just bring in your smaller time frames, but be careful. Let's see, a 30-minute might have given you guys a trade. 30-minute time frame here, long here, probably could have shorted this here. Okay, but just be careful. All right, not great trading right now. Okay, and did we talk about Bitcoin? Here's the daily. We talked about Bitcoin last night. All right, that it was right at 68,000. And I've heard from some of you saying, hey, Bitcoin is going to retrace, come down. Well, not right now. All right. Um, so from last night to this evening, it's up almost 3,000 points. I mean, 3,000, yeah, 3,000 points. Okay. So it's moving higher until we get new support and resistance lines, guys. The bias is to the upside. Buy signal is holding. Here's our buy signal here. It's holding firm. There was the previous buy signal. This is on the daily now. Okay. So, all right. All right. I have a few more minutes. Equities, not a lot going on with equities. So we'll wait. All right. I just want to make sure. I want to see what's going on with Heat Seeker. But not a lot has changed. Okay. So Stock Boss, let's run Heat Seeker just to see the flow. All right. So 69 in Stock Boss. How many in Bullmaster? 62 in Bullmaster. All right. So was that identical? It's never identical. Oh, 69. 69 in Stock Boss, 62 in Bullmaster. Okay. So not a lot of activity. Okay. In equities. The dollar index. All right. So we need help from the dollar index. All right. Now we don't have a sell short signal yet. We do have that buy signal that closed. Okay. So expect some consolidation. So don't expect a lot of movement, guys, from the dollar pairs. Okay. Let's do this here. I tell you, the yen pairs, that's for right now, that's the best trade. Yen short. All right. So here we are. This is the range that we're in. We can actually, well, no, it's right. I say right here. Right here. So we got to get past this area here. All right. Okay. Our current positions in monster futures, and then we'll be done. Current positions in monster futures. We don't have any shorts. We do have longs. Okay. In monster futures. So let's go through those and we'll be done. All right. The Russell Long buy signal here is still holding. All right, still holding above resistance. All right, here's your markdown phase. First trade did well. Second trade, trying to get past. This is where sellers are sitting, right here, right here. You guys know this right here. So buy signal trying to break out. S&P still holding, should still hold. All right, buy signal here, great trade here. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance, a decent markdown phase. So we had some selling here. I'm still holding all the way up here. All right, purpose, support, and resistance. Keep that in mind. But look, all green candles, nothing to do. Just hold on. All right, crude oil. All right, crude oil, buy signal here. All right, decent markdown phase, buy signal. Just holding right now for crude oil. Crude oil is at 70, what's that? 78, 76, 78. All right, a barrel. Up here, guys, is 84. All right, if we can see crude oil, if crude oil gets, if it breaks out, get to 90, 100, that's not good for equities, okay? Lean hogs, just holding. Buy signal here, holding. It's been holding here for a while. I'll check to see if this contract probably expire. I don't see any movement there. All right, live cattle. Live cattle is always a good trade. Okay, look at the trades here. Look at this one here. Live cattle here. All right. Buy signal here, still holding right here. And then gold, we finally got a buy signal in gold. Look at gold, guys. Finally, gold is making all-time highs. Okay, so a nice break here of resistance, big candle, right? Nice buy signal. So a buy signal was on this candle, and then right here, right, this triangle right here. I know it's hard to see. Right here. So that buy signal came in at 2089. It's trading at 2189. All right, so good price action. Let's see now, we're breaking the highs right here. I know this is all-time highs. I want to see the monthly and then we'll be done. So that's the monthly right here. So hold on. So I'm sorry, the all-time high is at 2,223 is where it closed. So we got to count where it closed. All right. No, not where it went to, but where it closed. So we're not at all-time highs. Okay. So here is all-time highs. Here it came close. And then here we are right now. Let's move this. Here we are right now, right here. So this area here for gold, 22 to 23, that's a big area right here. All right, so if gold breaks through, now this is on the monthly time frame. So if gold breaks through, we could see gold make, so our traders that are trading futures, all right, even ETFs, you keep an eye on gold. Keep an eye on gold, okay? All right, and look at this. Nice upward trend line. Look at this. Higher lows. And this is setting up. Gold is setting up for a breakout. All right. If it breaks through here, we could see gold move much higher. All right. And you guys remember, right? It's been consolidating for a while. So that's encouraging. If it breaks out here on the monthly time frame, we could get a buy signal right around here on the monthly, guys, on the monthly time frame. So keep an eye on gold. We do have a buy signal. I think we have a buy signal on the ETF too. Let's see here. All right, so daily. So here's it here. Buy signal right here. Let me bring this back. All right, here is resistance right about here. Okay. All right. And then we've got on the sector, which is the ETF. We use the ETF to track the sector. All right, right here, gold, gold, gold. Here it is right here. All right. So almost identical move right there. So 191 202 buy signal here. So gold is moving. All right, guys, that's all I've got. Okay, that's all I've got. So just remember, our monster scalper traders, you guys have been waiting for volatility, right? So you've got volatility. We should be in these trades, especially um, this yen short trade. Okay. If you've missed it under 240, right? Try to find your positions, okay, on the smaller time frame. But right, we should be in these trades here. All right, so monster scalper short. This is it. Yen short, Aussie Kiwi long, dollar short. All right, euro. Just stay away. I know we're a couple of positions, but right now it's mixed. You guys can see that there. That's mixed. All right, pound is mixed. Okay, so that's where your money is right here. Now, we've got really good volatility. Okay, really good volatility here. All right, so market isn't consolidating right now. All right, so we've got some movement. All right, your trades always, we talk about this, and we should talk about this more. Your trades should end up here. All right, so whatever you guys are in, the goal is to set them up, get them while they're setting up, right, in the markdown phase, coming out of that markdown accumulation phase, all right, getting into that markup. And then if you shorten, getting out of that distribution phase, getting into that markdown phase, distribution markdown phase, all right, and then you want your trades to end up here. These are your top performers. All right, so dollar yen, all right, EURTRY, that's long. All right, that's a top performer. All right, USD SGD, that's another one we called. That's a top performer short. Doesn't matter the direction, right? These are just top performers, long and short. Your goal, all right, is to be in these trades, okay? The top performers. And the way we get to that is paying attention, all right, as they come out of the markdown phase, right? Right, into accumulation markup, right? Here, USD dollar yen, that's the fourth most trending pair. Turkey, TRY, JPY, look at this short trade here. All right. That's the what? That's the fifth most trending pair. Look at that. Sell short signal here. Look at that, guys. All right. HKD. And notice the yen pairs are leading. Those are the leading pairs up here. We have how many yen pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yen pairs, guys, taking up right all the top positions here. All right. And then we have a couple of dollar pairs and Turkish. Okay. So, right, if we're not in these pairs, right, then we're doing something wrong. All right. So we're either late to the party, all right, we're not paying attention, or we're getting in, getting out. All right. Or we're trading a smaller time frame and we're not capturing these bigger moves. These big moves will pay dividend when they run. Now, we know they don't run every week, but when they do, all right, it works out. All right. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for coming.